Hello everybody, Bocconi test is approaching. The competition is tough for the Bocconi applications, and I know that you want to prepare for the test as as effective as possible. So here is my Bocconi test video tutorial package. In this video I'm trying to introduce you the package, and in this package, I used all my experience on the Bocconi test. I have been extensively tutoring for the Bocconi test. I've prepared many mock exams and I know the test content. So in this package, I try to create a way to most effectively prepare for the Bocconi test. What I do. So first, I included all topics that appear frequently in the Bocconi test. Systems of linear equations. I have seen this topic in all simulations in the test itself many times. Quadratic equations is a must. Graph of lines and parabolas. Functions. We have many function questions, and I have tried to incorporate all function topics in these videos. For example, basics, function graphs, asymptotes, composite functions, inverse functions, min and max. Okay, and we have logarithms, circumferences, inequalities, problems, and ratios. In this year, problems and ratios has become a very important topic. I gave you some examples, and I believe that these examples are very important. Verbal problems and ratios and percentages. I try to explain these topics as clearly as possible. And of course, sets, trigonometrics, and the topics that students have the most difficulty with: permutation and combination, probability, conditional probability. All these three topics had a very high weight. Half of the questions were logic and these topics last year, but this year we have less probability questions. Still, you are gonna have maybe 4 or 5 questions on probability. Therefore, I explain probable question types in these videos. Mean and median questions appear very frequently, and critical thinking, which is added this year. So this year you are gonna have 5 critical thinking questions. Geometry and the parts except mathematics. Numerical reasoning and reading. This year students have some difficulty with numerical reasoning and reading, because these sections are much more difficult than the last year. So I have prepared some extensive videos, especially in reading. It's a long video, and I try to incorporate all question types. I use simulation questions from the last year and some questions that I prepared for this video package. So in simulation questions, I know they are easier, but I try to show you some tactics to how to approach reading questions, because in reading also time is very important, because if you spend too much time on reading questions, it can be very bad for the whole test. And the 18th topic is very important. These are my test tactics in general: how to do time management, how to let's say approach the online system, stuff like that. Okay, so this is also a very important video. Moreover, I include my tutorial sessions, group tutorial sessions in the package. So if you purchase the package, you can join all 5 sessions. We have done first 2 already, so you can watch their recordings. As soon as you purchase the package, I'll send you new mock exams, and then the upcoming session is on 29th December, then 8th January, 15th January. I add the recordings to this area after the sessions. So you will also have 5 new mock exams and 5 group sessions for those mock exams. What does those mock exams include? These mock exams include 28 math questions, but I prepared them recently and I updated them with the changes in this year's Bocconi test. Okay, so this is the plan. I believe that if you study the package extensively, if you do the mock exams, and if you watch the tutorials about mock exams, so there's too much material here, you will have a very good preparation for the test. After that, maybe if you still want, you can reach me for one-on-one sessions as well. But this is a very good setup, at least to increase the number of questions you solve in a very short amount of time. You can study the package in a few days and then the mock exams. So maybe in a week you will increase the number of questions you do significantly. I can say significantly. So how to purchase the package? You go to the video page, and then this is a Dacast environment. It is it's a leading company for paid videos, and you sign up here, and with your account, with that account, you can watch the videos again and again for 6 months. And after you have your account, you can pay via Dacast for the package. So they have two options: one for the whole package, 225 euros, and one for if you have a cheaper option that is for that topic. Okay, not for the whole video package set. Okay, so I believe that this is the most time and cost effective way of preparing for the Bocconi test, because it includes like my at least 4 or 5 hours of tutoring, and also group sessions. They you will have hours of group sessions. Therefore 225 euros, I believe, is like it's worth it. This is what I believe. And also you can text me, you can mail me if you have some questions about the video package, and you can check the Dacast environment with this function video, and therefore you will have an idea about the Dacast video environment. Okay, so this is my video tutorial package, and I believe that, I repeat, if you study the package and then the mock exams, you try to solve the mock exams, those 5. Now we are gonna do the third, but if you study, then we will do the next 2 in the coming weeks, before, of course, the January exams. And if you study the mock exams, and then if you watch the mock exam sessions as well, or join the live group sessions, you will have a very good preparation, and you will definitely increase your score for the Bocconi test. But if you believe that it is not sufficient, maybe you can text me again and ask for one-on-ones. So therefore, this is my again, I repeat, Bocconi test website, and you can check also the other parts and also my frequently asked questions. And I hope to see you in my group tutorial sessions, and I hope you enjoy the package, and you it helps your preparations for the Bocconi test. Thank you very much.